In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make box in WPS Office Mobile. Creating a box in WPS Office Mobile is a helpful way to organize content, highlight important information, or add visual structure to your document. Whether you're editing notes, preparing a simple report, or designing a clean layout on your phone, learning how to add and customize a box can make your document look more professional and easier to read. To get started, open your document in the WPS Office mobile app. Once the document is open, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and tap the icon that opens the editing tools. From the options that appear, tap Insert. This section allows you to add different elements to your document. After tapping Insert, look for the box icon and tap it. As soon as you select it, a box will appear on your page. Once the box is visible, you can begin adding text inside it. Tap on the edge of the box to make sure the entire box is selected. This is important because tapping inside the box may only select the text area. After selecting the edge, tap the option to add text. You can now type inside the box just like you normally would in WPS Office Mobile. All standard text formatting options are available, so you can adjust the font size, style, and color to match the rest of your document. Next, you can customize the appearance of the box itself. With the box selected, tap on Drawing Tools. This menu allows you to change how the box looks. You can adjust the box color by choosing from the recommended colors, or you can tap the three dots on the right side to access more color options. This gives you greater flexibility in matching the box to your document's design. You can also change the border weight of the box to suit your preference. In the Drawing Tools, select the Border Weight option and choose the thickness you want. Available options may include values such as 0.75 pound, 1.0 pound, 1.5 pound, 3.0 pound, or 6.0 pound. Lighter borders create a subtle look, while thicker borders make the box stand out more clearly. After adjusting the text and appearance, you can resize the box by dragging its edges and move it anywhere on the page. Take a moment to check how it fits with the surrounding content to ensure everything looks balanced and well-aligned. With these steps, you can easily create and customize boxes in WPS Office Mobile, helping you produce documents that are clean, organized, and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.